Not that I don't have any confidence.
Yeah,
in us,
exactly.
I just-
So we got to get the camera off to
Anyway.
Tim. What are we going to talk about? Why he's over there doing his thing?
Run that thing while I'm over here dying.
I'm just. You're the one talking.
It's pretty funny when anything like that happens. We all just stop and stare. It's like,
Hell, guys.
it's like
Main
I
attraction.
could just cough into the microphone, I guess. I prefer not to. So
we all just kind of freeze up. It's like, all right, there's a problem over there. Let's see what happens. let's just play this out and see where it goes.